Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be solving another lead code problem of array series, which is finding the duplicate in the array, which is the content duplicate number 1 questions, and we'll be solving this using Java's HashSet. So let's get started. So here you are given an integer array and you need to find out if any value appears more than once. If so, return true, and if every element is distinct, then you have to return false. Let's look at an example. Example 1, you are given an array of 1 2 3 1. Here 1 is repeated twice, so the output will be true. Then in example 2, our input array is 1 2 3 4, so no such element is repeating twice, so our output will be false. Now the basic approach you can use, that is the brute force method, where you compare every element with every other element. It will take a lot of time, especially if the array is large. Instead, we'll use a hash set in Java, which gives us an efficient way to track if we have been seen an element before. Instead we'll use a hash set in Java, which Instead, we'll use a hash set in Java, which gives us an efficient way to track if we have seen an element before. So now let's get to the lead code ID. So in our lead code ID, we first have to declare hash set of integer. We'll be naming it set. Then we have to call the object and hash set. Okay, we have declared a new set. Okay, now we have to iterate through the nums array and we have to check if there is any duplicate number, yes or no. So if we duplicate through this, we have to check if our set contains any duplicate number. If yes, then we have to return true, and we also have to add that particular element into our set. Otherwise we can easily return false. Let's run it. And okay, there will be an semicolon should be. It should, yes, think yes, pretty much good. Now let's submit. Yeah, pretty much, and this depends on the lead code server, so it doesn't really matter. Now why this approach efficient? Because the time complexity of the solution is big O of n, where n is the number of elements in the array. We only loop through the array once, and because the hash set provides big O of 1 time complexity for adding and checking elements, this approach works efficiently even for the larger array. As for space complexity, it's also big O of n, since in the worst case the hash set could hold all the elements from the array. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.